Welcome back, dear students. In this module, we'll learn about the occupational structure at the time of independence. Occupational structure refers to the distribution of workforce among the different sectors of the economy, that is primary sector, secondary sector and tertiary sector. Owing to the decaying of Indian handicraft industry during the British rule, maximum population shifted towards the primary sector. So there was a dominance of primary sector. This is the first feature of occupational structure as flashed on your screens, predominance of the primary sector. Nearly 70 to 75% of our population was dependent upon the primary sector. Only 10% was depending upon the secondary sector, which is also known as the manufacturing sector, and only 15 to 20% population was depending upon the service sector, also called the tertiary sector. This is the first feature. Second feature is regional disparity. But before understanding the regional disparity in detail, let us learn what do we mean by dependency ratio. Remember, there are two categories of population. First category, who is not earning, and second group or second category of the people who are earning their own livelihood, who are economically independent. In the first category, we include infants, children who do not work, who do not earn their livelihood, who are economically depending on their parents, as well as we include those old age people who are economically depending on their children and they do not earn. So this category includes the children as well as the old age people. And the second category of the people are those who are economically dependent, who earn their livelihood and who take care of the children as well as old age people. So ratio between those who are economically dependent and who are economically independent, that is ratio between the category which is earning and the category which is not earning, is called the dependency ratio. Now what about the regional disparity? In few regions, in few states such as Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, West Bengal, as flashed on your screens, this dependency ratio of the workforce on agriculture sector, it was declining. On the other hand, in the states of Orissa, Rajasthan, Punjab, this dependency ratio, it was increasing. And what was the reason? The reason was the decline of handicraft industry, because of which people shifted from the handicraft industry towards the agriculture sector. So this is the regional disparity. Although we know in the year 1891, as carried on in the census, as we learnt in the census, only 60% of our population, working population, it was engaged in the agricultural activities, because other people other than these 60% of the people, they were engaged in the handicraft industry. Now what happened in the year 1901, and then this ratio kept on, this percentage depending on the agriculture, it kept on increasing and it increased to 72% in 1991, which shows that India was going backward. People were depending upon the primary sector and the basic reason was decaying of handicraft industry. So I hope that the occupational structure is clear to you. Now in the next module, we learn about few positive aspects which were given to us by the Britishers. Till now, we kept on learning about the negativities. Now in next module, we learn about some positive impacts of the British rule. Thank you all.